If you want to slow down audio in Audacity, whether you want to keep the original pitch, create a lower pitched effect, or just preview playback more slowly while editing, this video will show you exactly how to do it step by step. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy software guides. Let's jump in. First, open Audacity and load the audio file you want to work with. You can do this by dragging your file into Audacity or by going to File and then Open. Once your audio is on the timeline, click and drag to select the part you want to slow down. If you want to slow down the entire track, you can simply select all of it. Now, if your goal is to make the audio slower but keep the original pitch the same, the best option is change tempo. This is ideal for music, podcasts, voiceovers, or anything where you want the timing to change without making the voice sound deep or unnatural. To do this, go up to Effect, then choose Pitch and Tempo, and click Change Tempo. A new window will appear with a slider and a few options. From here, move the slider to the left to slow the audio down. You'll see negative percentages when you reduce the tempo. You can also type in a target length if you want to stretch the audio to a specific duration. This is really useful if you need the clip to match a certain time, like a video edit or a presentation. Before applying the effect, make sure to check Use High Quality Stretching for the best sound quality, especially if you are making a big change. Once everything looks good, click Apply and let Audacity process the audio. If you are trying to create a more dramatic effect, like a slowed and lower pitch sound, then use Change Speed and Pitch instead. This one affects both the tempo and the pitch at the same time, so the audio will get slower and also sound deeper. To use it, select your audio again, then go to Effect, Pitch and Tempo, and choose Change Speed and Pitch. In the Speed Multiplier field, enter a value lower than 1.0. For example, 0.80 will slow the audio down to 80% of its original speed. The lower you go, the slower and deeper it will sound. This option is great if you want a tape stop style effect or that classic slowed reverb feel. After choosing your settings, click Apply and Audacity will render the updated audio. If it sounds too extreme, just undo it and try a slightly higher speed value until you get the result you want. Now, there is one more method, and this one is only for previewing. If you do not want to permanently change the file, but you just want to hear it slower while you edit, use the Play at Speed toolbar. You will usually find it near the playback controls, and it has a green play button with a small slider next to it. Drag the slider to the left to reduce the playback speed. For example, setting it to 0.50x will let you listen at half speed. Then simply click the Play at Speed button and Audacity will play your audio slower without changing the actual file. This is especially helpful if you are trying to edit speech, find a specific word, or carefully cut beats in music. It saves time because you can listen back more easily without permanently altering the track. So to quickly recap, use Change Tempo if you want to slow audio down and keep the pitch the same. Use Change Speed and the pitch if you want the pitch to drop with the speed, and use Play at Speed if you only want a temporary slower preview while editing. Each tool has a different purpose, so choosing the right one depends on the sound you are trying to create. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more Audacity tips, and leave a comment if you want a full beginner Audacity editing guide next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.